On a grid, you can quickly filter, sort, and edit data. And with just one click, you can download to a CSV file. Here we can have a view of the file, see that the data is in CSV file. You can see long text fields working and other fields displaying correctly. To set this up, open the grid record, which you can easily search for. Next, scroll down to Actions section and Field. Make sure the download option is chosen so the button displays. By default, the download is based on the query, but can customize it further with the download header label and download query fields. This is useful when fields are best for displaying in the grid, while others are better for download. You can also use alias notation, which are especially helpful when working with localized formats. This ensures your CSV shows the correct value for things like currencies and date fields, even when users are in different time zones and working with multi-currencies.